boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. And today, I have some special helpers. I have Miss Summer.
Hi.
And Miss Cadence.
Hi.
And Mr. Daniel.
Hi.
And Mr. Seth.
Hi.
And boys and girls, we're gonna have fun today because today we're gonna be making Catiedoodles. Do you know why I call them Catiedoodles? Because my daughter Katie used to make these all the time. In fact, she still does. Do you know that I started her cooking in the kitchen before? How old are you, Cadence?
3.
3? I started my Katie in the kitchen before she was 3. What do you think about that?
Good.
Is it fun to be in the kitchen? Yeah, do you like cooking?
My mom loves to cook in the kitchen.
She does, and do you like to help her?
No.
But you like helping Miss Cinda? Yeah, we better not tell her that. Okay, should we get started on our Catiedoodles?
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
boys and girls, you're going to love this recipe. Okay, Summer and Cadence, you're going to share this bowl. And Seth and Daniel, you're going to share this one, okay? I'm going to move all your placemats a little bit. There you go, Seth. Okay, you're going to be using electric mixers today. And when you're using electrical equipment in the kitchen, what do I say? Safety first, boys and girls. Don't ever do this by yourself. You must always have an adult with you, okay? So we're gonna measure our liquid ingredients first. So that means we're gonna need our margarine. So you can put our margarine in. You can put our margarine in the bowl. And Seth and Summer, you put in 3/4 cup of a sugar. So here's our sugar. So actually, you guys can help. You can put in 1, Cadence, and Summer, you can put in 2. Find your 4th cup measure. There's your 4th cup. So you put in 1, a 4th cup. So you're going to do 3 of these 4th cups because we don't have a 4th cup measuring.
What?
So of the sugar. So you put in 1 and you put in 2, okay? Daniel, you're going to put in 1. And Seth, you're going to put in 2, okay?
I got mine.
Put in 1. This one, Seth. Put in 2. And I'm going to get our almond milk in the refrigerator.
I'll help you.
Because we wanted it to be nice and cold, didn't we?
That should be good. I'm going to put it in.
Okay, did you get... Very good, Cadence. Okay, pour yours in. Go ahead. Oh, let's make sure and get it full, okay? Boys and girls, make sure that you get it full. Now you can level it off. Good job. Okay, that's good. You want to pour it in? Now you put in 2. Make sure it's full. And you can use another spoon if you can't get more in. Here, I'll help you. Go like this. You can go like that. Now you can level it off. There you go. Now 1 more. How are you boys doing? You have 1 in. Now that's 2 and 1 more.
Makes 3.
That makes 3. Very good, Daniel. Let Seth do it, Daniel. There you go.
I'm
okay.
very good at it.
Okay, now wait. We're gonna use our electric mixers, okay? We're not gonna use this. So no, wait till Miss Cinda gets it. Okay, boys and girls. Now here, this is your towel, Seth. I'm gonna move it like this. Okay, now boys and girls, when you're using electric mixer, make sure, Summer, can you help Cadence? You both can do it. Make sure you keep it down. Don't lift it up like this while you're mixing, because guess what? It's gonna make a mess. So both of you put a hand on it. Okay, you ready? Hold on. Okay, you want to mix up your margarine. Push like this. Mix up that margarine and get it blended with your sugar, okay? You want it to be all mixed up together and combined. Move it around a little bit. Is it fun? Okay, mix it all around. Let's do yours a little faster. There you go. Help her mix it around. Help them mix it around. Oh, good job. Boys and girls, you want to make sure that you get the sugar and everything combined. Oh, keep going. You're almost done.
It's flowing good.
Is it? Okay, now go around like this. See? Look. There. In circular motion. See? Instead of back and forth, you want to go in a circle. Okay, let's turn it off. Now, leave your mixer right here, okay? Let's leave it right here. Good job, Summer. Now we're going to put in...
Don't play with that.
Now you're going to put in vanilla. And, Summer, can you use your liquid measuring cup? Yes. And when you're measuring in a liquid measuring cup, set it down on a solid surface, and now find your fourth a cup. Yes, I'll help you, Cadence. Just a minute. I'll help you pour it. Okay, yes. And now put the milk in right to that line. Here, Cadence. Oh, good job, Cadence. Let's find your teaspoon. Let me make sure it's a teaspoon. Yep, it's a teaspoon and a half. So we'll use that one and this one. Okay, pour it over here. Good job, Summer. Okay, there's one. Now you need a half teaspoon. So here's a half. Okay, pour it over here. There you go. Ooh, Miss Cinda got a lot. That's okay. They'll just be nice and vanilla flavored, huh? Okay. It's okay, Seth. Okay, Seth, help me find a fourth a cup. You see on the line, see this line right at the bottom that says a fourth a cup? So set it down. Now you watch that line and you tell me when I've reached that fourth a cup, okay? You tell me stop when I reached it. Did I reach it? Let's see. Oh, close. Oh, Seth, I'm close. Watch. Did I get it? Okay. You can pour that in. And I'll put that back in the fridge in a minute. Okay. Oh, good job. You found me 1.5 teaspoons. Oops. Let's borrow Cadence's half. Because if something falls on the floor, what do we do with it?
Take it to the kitchen.
To the sink, don't we? Because, we don't want to use it if it's fallen on the floor. We'll use your teaspoon. Okay, thank you, Daniel. Okay, ready? Let's pour it away from the mixer part. Okay, put that in. Okay, you guys, we get to mix it up now. Okay, hold your mixer straight up. Oh, hold it straight up. Okay. Good job. Okay, turn yours on.
Can you hold the ball? What? Can you hold the ball?
Let's move it around. Move it all around, Summer.
All around.
And you can even turn your bowl a little bit. Okay? You want to make sure that's all mixed in with your sugar and butter mixture.
Look at it. Cadence. Look at it.
Are you doing it? How's it look? Is it all blending up nicely? Good job, guys. Instead of back and forth, go around. That's it. There you go. That's it. Oh, I'll put that over here so we don't use it. Okay, you can turn it off. Okay, now we're going to just set it down so it's still right here. So that way it drips in the bowl. Was that fun? Okay, now we're going to do our flour. So you're going to do, Cadence, you do 1 cup. And it's 1 3/4 cups of flour. So you're going to do 1 cup.
Is it this?
Nope, it's this one. It was hiding on you. And you're going to do 3 of the 1/4 cups. Okay, wait. Let me move it over here. Okay, Seth, find your 4th cup. You do 1 cup.
Okay.
Seth, you find your 4th cup right here. You do 3 of those, okay?
Do you want help?
Because it's
I think you should.
1 3/4 cups of flour. I'm going to do your cornstarch for you guys
Okay, now take the knife.
so that you guys will have time to
knife,
shape them.
and then
Let me find your
Flatten it out with the flat knife.
4th a teaspoon.
Oh, like this. Hold like that, and then.
I'm going to
that.
just have
Oh,
to do
got it.
half. So
Okay, that's good, Katie.
did you get 1 full cup?
Katie.
Say you need 3 of
Katie,
those now, Seth, okay? And so I'm going to need, let's see. Oh, I need 1/4 cup. Did you get 1 cup? All right, so
You
here.
need 2 cups?
No, remember your 4th cup?
Oh.
You need 3 of your 4th cups. Did you do 3 of your 4th cups?
I'll do 3 of these.
3 of those. Oh, well, we'll leave that. But you know what? Now what you need? You need 1 of these. Let's do 1 of these for you. Okay?
3.
Okay, Cadence, you put that in. Good job. And
It's not getting out.
there we go. I'll help it out. That sound like a drum?
This is mine.
Okay. There. You put that one in. That's your cornstarch. And I'm using cornstarch instead of eggs. So that
Cinda, can we do this now?
yes, you can do that now, and I will add.
Timer.
Oh, you can turn it on. Oh, that's our kitchen timer. We better hurry. Okay, mix it up.
Hold the ball.
Hold the bowl. She can have 1 hand on here too. And I'm going to add the baking powder while you guys are doing that, okay?
Oh, look at it.
There you go. We need baking.
This is like
Oh, look at that yummy dough. That's going to be so good. And you know what? Miss Cinda's made some ahead of time,
Smell this?
so you'll get to taste them.
Smell this?
Let me get some.
We have that in cinnamon.
No, you know what we're going to do? Oh, get all the way over here. We're going to mix cinnamon in together. We're going to roll them in a ball, boys and girls. And then we're going to roll the balls in a mixture of cinnamon and sugar. And that's what makes our nice crunchy coating. It'll be delicious. You need to take your spatulas and go around the edge. So we get all that flour down in there, see? Look. Oh, boys and
Dip it
girls,
from the
does this
sides.
look like fun? Yeah. Good job, Cadence. Good job. Oh, that's our kitchen timer. That's all the time we have for now. But you know what, boys and girls? Always remember, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.